Where is it? Where is it?
I've got it contained! You go
shiny
get the pages! It's on top of me!
Okay. I will do my best. Let me know if the aggro disappears.
I wonder if there's more than one of them.
Oh, man. Rawr?
Rawr! Rawr!
I can't hear you.
Are you sure? Because it's literally on top of me. It's not moving.
Maybe it's bugged
I can
out.
hear you.
Okay, I picked up, I guess,
Rawr!
Okay.
Try me. Maybe you can try and get out of the bed for like a single second.
No!
Yeah, maybe try that. You know, maybe the aggro will disappear by then.
Maybe you'll give up.
I'm just buying you more
Maybe I'll
time
just
to
give you
get
a
the
nice
page.
hug.
Oh my god, I see it. Oh my god, I saw its leg.
I see
Rawr.
its under part.
How was it? Did you like
its
it?
leg?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't have a feet.
He's
Pink.
got shiny eyes.
Oh.
The eyes glow like the sunlight.
Oh, I can put something else here.
I'm keeping it distracted.
Low.
Oh, I think you're supposed to put the... Oh, yeah, you are.
Oh no!
Lope.
I have a U.
That's good.
It really is not moving.
I think it's bugged. I think it's bugged. It shouldn't be doing that.
I mean, that's good. At least, like, you know.
I mean, she
I
could
can
just walk around.
Yeah, explore.
Well, I hear really loud screaming on bass. Bass POV. It's so loud.
See, it's like exposure therapy.
Yeah, you'll get used to it.
Yeah.
See, you can stare at it all day. Next time you see it, it will just be like your friendly neighbor.
I don't see anything. I just hear it.
Oh, you can't see it? It's just standing in front of me.
Sometimes it will bug in and I'll see its feet for like 3 seconds and then it'll disappear.
On my screen, it's not moving.
letter.
It's just standing straight in front of the bed.
Which letter did you pick up?
I got a U.
U. Okay.
I-L-U?
Lope.
Lope?
Lope.
That's L-O-U-P.
It's so loud.
Okay.
Maybe it's love it up.
Love it up.
It would... Oh wait, maybe it
What
won't
is
fit now.
that? It's just a blank page. What the heck?
Oh, yeah.
Lope.
Lope! It's so loud.
Man, I've explored everything.
Maybe you need base U, but she's stuck there.
Maybe?
Okay, if I do come out... Oh, is it a space maybe?
Oh, maybe. It's just a blank page.
Might be a space.
It is love it up.
You will need 2 spaces for that then.
That's true.
Love
Maybe
it
that's
up.
too many letters. Low and up?